Hey there everyone, I hope that you all are doing well and taking care of yourselves. I also hope that you all who do celebrate Easter did have a wonderful Easter, despite it may not have gone the way that you typically would celebrate your Easter. I know for me it didn't go the way that I'm accustomed to celebrating, but you know what? I'm okay, my family's okay, so we were still able to enjoy ourselves and have a wonderful day. Today I do have this gorgeous mani I did do for Easter. I did mean to have it up a bit earlier, but honestly time wasn't on my side and things were just not going how I planned it. So maybe today you might get an additional tutorial, but we'll have to see how that goes. So if you'd like to see how I did this look, keep on watching. So for my base, I was gonna go in with the lighter color from the colors that I'm using for this smush base, but I decided that I would just go ahead and use a white as my base to help make the colors pop a bit more. And once I do apply it, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So for this white, I am going with Hansen Xtreme Wear's White Out. If you don't have a white that's fully opaque in one coat, that's actually no problem. You can just go ahead and do 2 thin coats, because as I said, you are going to be covering it, so it's not like it needs to be pristine and absolutely opaque. But if you do have a white that's like opaque in just 1 coat, go right ahead and just do that 1 coat and then go ahead with your top coat. So now that I've gone ahead and gotten my white base down, I'll be going in and applying 1 thin coat of my favorite Girly Bits Cosmetics top coat to help speed up the drying process so that I can go ahead and get started with my smush mani base. Before I go ahead and make a mess around my cuticles, I'll be going in and applying Girly Bits Cosmetics Border Patrol, which is a latex barrier. If you don't have this, you can always use tape, or you can also just clean up with a Q-tip and acetone, but for me personally, I just find this to be a lot easier and more convenient. To help create the smush looking base, I'll be using my clear jelly stamper Big Bling. I don't know if you can see, but it does have a slight crack in the stamper, and I don't know how it got there. It really made me upset. And the first color that I'll be using is Beyond the Nail Spring Yellow, and I'm just going ahead and applying a few blobs of polish onto the stamper head. See, there's the scratch. Like, I don't know how that got there. Next, I'll be going in with this gorgeous pink pastel polish from Bad Bitch Polish called Very Good. It's such a cute, like, cotton pink. And the next color I'll be using is Hansen Xtreme Wear's Babe Blue. This is such a gorgeous blue polish, and it does have a slight shimmer to it, but it isn't that noticeable. And the last color that I'll be using for this smush mani is Zoya Tiana. It's so pretty, and it definitely does remind me of the color of Princess Tiana's dress. So now that I have all those colors onto my stamper, I'm just gonna go ahead and start pressing lightly onto the nail, and I'll just keep doing that until I have no more white showing on my nail. And look at how pretty that looks, guys. I know it looks like a hot mess, but I promise you, once I put on the top coat, you'll be able to see everything. Now that I've gone ahead and gotten my cuticle area cleaned up, I'll just be applying 1 thin coat of Girly Bits Cosmetics What a Rush top coat. And as you can see, this really does help to smooth and blend the colors together. So what I'll be doing is I'll be going back in now and applying some more of Girly Bits Cosmetics Border Patrol before I go ahead with my stamping. Now for the stamping part of this nail art, I'll be going in and using various images from this wonderful You Are Beautiful number 8 stamping plate. As you can see, it has a variety of images for spring, for Easter, and I did actually pick quite a few different ones to use on my nails. I'll also be going in and using Moonflower polish Noche and this Creative Shop stamper, because I did find that for whatever reason my clear jelly stamper was just not cooperating when I was using this plate. So I just used a different one, thankfully, and I actually do have a wide range of stampers for this specific reason. So remember I was telling you that there's different ways to do your stamping, like you can press down or you can do rolling. So this time around I actually did do a slight rolling and pressing method because one, I can't see through the stamper, so I had to make sure it was aligned properly, and two, I wanted the images to come off right away. So I just kind of did it differently from how I would usually do my stamping, where I usually just press the image onto my nail. Now that I've gone ahead and gotten that all cleaned up, I'll be going in with one last and final coat of Girly Cosmetics Water Rush Top Coat to finish it off and give it a high gloss shine. And there we have it for this really fun and super cute Easter nail art look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and liked this look as much as I did. I really like how it ended up coming out, especially with my pastel / spring smush mani base. If you did like this tutorial, guys, please do give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you did not like it. And as always, you can find the products that I use listed down below. Thank you for those that have been sticking around with me, and to any of my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. And please do remember to subscribe as well as turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified when I do upload more videos. And as always, guys, stay glamorous.